Don't let your product launch crash and burn. Check for patents at the start of product development. A client spent 2 years and several $100,000 creating a new product. They were days away from launching when they gave me a call. The question was, can you check to see if this might infringe any patents? It's a good thing to do, but a little late in the game, in my opinion. They were hoping for a green light. Instead, in this case, it was a red, a no-go, and a costly one. I found a patent that their product would clearly infringe. The launch was scrapped. A complete redesign from scratch had to be done. All because they waited too long to ask the right question. And that question is, can you check to see what patents are related to this idea we have that we're thinking about developing? If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I do weekly videos on intellectual property to help business owners understand this complicated area of the law. Back to the story. They should have asked this question when the development process started, not just for infringement issues, but also to learn about other great ideas. One early step could have prevented this problem for my client, and it could have also taught him what others had done, and that is conduct a patent clearance search. The call to check for patent issues should always come at the beginning of your product development, not at the end when everything is polished and ready to go. So how do you avoid these expensive mistakes and learn before you start creating your new product? Here's how to avoid an expensive mistake and at the same time learn about other technologies related to your project during your project development. There is new insight that you can learn from inventors who have attempted to solve the same problems. Patents can be a roadmap for designing the best solution. Now, you can do some of this yourself. Here are the steps. First, search online for similar products already on the market. 2, identify the companies manufacturing those products. 3, search those companies in Google Patents to see if they have any patents that relate to your product. And 4, back check those patents to find out if there are other related patents of interest to your product. Every patent lists the research done by the patent examiner when he or she investigated the application to grant patent protection. This is a treasure trove of related solutions to what you're developing. They include the successes and failures of those who came before you. So it's not just to check for potential infringement, but to learn and use information in your own development. You do need to include patent counsel. You can do some of this investigating on your own. However, patent infringement, the determination of that is a complicated issue. It's not an analysis that you want to make on your own. You must involve patent counsel to avoid being sued. Patent attorneys like me have sophisticated search tools to help locate patents, and we understand the law for interpreting claim language. It's complex. Business owners often focus on the drawings and description in the patent and assume that since their product's different, there's no issue. And that's typically wrong. The patent claims dictate what's infringed, not what's shown and described in the patent application. Interpreting those claims is best left to the experts. Now, once again, you can't afford to wait. This client was lucky in one sense. They found the problem before they launched. Not every business catches it in time. Some launch, get sued, and end up paying a lot more. If you're developing a product or even thinking about it, don't wait. Let's discuss before your invention turns into a liability. I can assist you in identifying potential patent issues early, ensuring a smooth launch and safe growth of your business. Thank you again for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Below, I've also provided links to 2 important assets that you'll find valuable. One is my intellectual property guide and checklist. The other is my book, Invisible Assets, How to Maximize the Hidden Value in Your Business. Both of these are great resources for better understanding the IP that you have in your business and for avoiding IP litigation. Click on the links below for your complimentary copies. And again, thank you for watching.